Hi everyone! Welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. I'm Jen and I'm your host today. Today I'm going to teach you how to make ube palitaw sa latik. First, we're going to make the latik. In a wide non-stick pan over medium heat, I'm going to pour the coconut cream. I'm using canned coconut cream, but you may also use coconut milk instead. I'm going to bring it to boil while stirring it occasionally. Cook until it turns into curd and the oil starts to come out. Now I'm going to lower the heat and continue to cook until it turns into brown. This is done, so I can now remove it from the pan. Using a strainer, I'm going to separate the curd or the latik from the coconut oil. Then we're going to set this aside. The next thing that we're going to do is to combine the glutinous rice flour and water. So I'm combining them in a large bowl and I'm adding about 3/4 cup water. Then I'm going to mix it until well blended. It's still a little bit dry, so I'm adding more water. Continue to mix it until it forms a dough. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons ube flavor. Then I'm going to mix it well until it's well incorporated. This is now our dough. It's well blended. You can see the color. It's bright purple. Next, we're going to shape the palitaw. The first thing I did is grease my palm with coconut oil. Then I scoop the mixture and flatten it into a disc. Then we're putting it on a plate with greased coconut oil as well. So I'm just going to repeat the same step for the remaining dough. Using a wide pan over medium heat, I'm going to pour 2 cups of water and I'm going to add 1 cup of white sugar. Stir until the sugar is dissolved. Bring to boil and gently drop each disc and cook for 5 to 10 minutes or until it floats. You may also flip it to make sure that the other side is properly cooked. Once the palitaw floats, add 1 teaspoon of pandan extract. Then we're going to add the coconut curd or the latik. We're also adding half cup of ripe jackfruit or langka. Just give it a good stir and bring it to boil for another minute. This is done, so we can now turn off the heat and transfer it into a serving bowl. Here's our final product, ube palitaw with latik. The ube palitaw is soft and chewy, with the sweetness from the jackfruit and a little bit of crunch from the latik. It smells good in here, and it definitely tastes delicious. So there you have it. That's ube palitaw sa latik. I hope you like this recipe. Comment down below if you have any recipes that you would like me to do on my next video. Follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at Pagkaing Pinoy TV1 so you will be updated with our latest videos. And click on subscribe button, tap the bell icon so you can receive notifications when we release new videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!